I have wiring issues.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
Parrot Uncle f6222 with remote.
How long has this been going on with your wiring? What have you tried so far?
On the fan, blue, white, green, ground. My house. Green, red, blue, white, ground.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I not should where the red wire go.
Hi, my name is I will be assisting you today.
Hi Franklin. Installing a ceiling fan. With a remote.
Is this a ceiling fan? Thanks.
I connected the fan's green, white, blue wires to the remote wires. Like the instructions said. I have a red wire at my house but not on the fan.
Can you send a picture? Use the plus files link next to the send button.
Customer attachment January 28, 2021 1:44 a.m.
Give me a moment to review. Thanks. So the ceiling, house, wires are connected to one side of the black box, marked line. You will only be using the block/WHT wires. The red gets capped off. On the other side the three wires, block/WHT/blue, connect to the fan wires. All of the green/bare copper grounds connect together. I can't tell from the picture how the connections are made up.
I'm trying that now.
There are labels on the wires which should indicate line. These connect to the ceiling house wiring. If you applied power with the wires connected backward, it may have burned out the receiver. But give it a try.
I disconnected the red and now it's working with the remote. Let me add the light kit.
Great. The red wire is probably connected to a second switch on the wall. That will not do anything. The light/fan functions will be controlled by the remote.
Perfect.
I'm glad that I could help you sort this out. Please feel free to come back with any future questions. You can start your inquiry with "For Wire Guy Franklin." If I'm on the site, I'll be happy to assist you. You also have the option to add me as one of your favorite experts. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.